family, welcome back to the channel. I am Devesh from Interazzo and today we are at Sobha Windsor to show you a 3 BHK home interior project designed and executed for Mr. Anuj. The foyer is designed to create an inviting first impression, balancing aesthetics and style. The foyer sitting unit comes with a comfortable cushion and is beautifully complemented by wall decor featuring MDF fluted and laminated panels, creating a welcoming and elegant entryway. The foyer tall unit adds smart storage with an open box, PVD T-profile and anti-rust SS304 soft close hinges, while integrating profile lightings highlights its premium design, making the space both practical and visually appealing. As we step into the living area, we have this 3D wall decor and we have designed it with CNC cut design and Duco paint on it. On the sides, we have given MDF panels with cove lights. The entertainment wall panel features laminated wall paneling accented with two PVD T-profiles, fluted detailing and a soft cove light, creating a sophisticated focal point that enhances the room's ambience. We have also given Duco wall beadings to highlight the wall. The entertainment base unit is thoughtfully designed with two Quadro undermount channels, a black aluminium frame shutter with flap down mechanism offering both style and smooth functionality. Adding to the charm, the entertainment wall decor combines laminated ledges with profile lightings, gold finish PVD cube profiles all tied together to give the space a distinctive and modern character. Throughout the home, we have designed a peripheral false ceiling with strip lights, round panels which have been integrated along with provisions for curtains wherever required. This living area is a perfect blend for elegance and comfort, which sets the stage for comfort and relaxation. To give a partition between living and dining, we have designed a PVD partition with fluted glass. The dining area is designed to be both elegant and functional. The crockery base unit is finished in MDF with Duco paint. Features two Quadro undermount channels with a brushed gold Gola profile offering smooth functionality with a hint of luxury. The dining wall decor adds depth and sophistication with MDF Duco panels embedded with clear mirrors and a fluted design, beautifully reflecting light to make the space feel bright and expansive. The highlight of the space is the dining tall unit, which is crafted with anti-rust SS304 soft close hinges and champagne aluminium profile shutters, enhanced with spotlights and Ebco wine glass holder. The kitchen is made with the combination of acrylic and laminated finish. For the countertop, we have used terra cords, Vina Oro, and for the wall dado, we have given tiles. The base unit is equipped with Blum tandem boxes, each with 30 kg weight carrying capacity. It also includes a cooking agent unit. The wall units are designed with two Blum Aventos Advanced HF lift-ups with black aluminium frame shutters with fluted glass, open shelves with spotlights, and laminated ledge, combining style with seamless accessibility. Adding to the aesthetics, the kitchen wall decor includes a laminate ledge with black cube profile, creating a cohesive and elegant finish. The tall unit is fitted with two wicker baskets, while the pantry unit comes with Blum tandem box drawer, providing excellent storage and durability. The breakfast counter features anti-rust SS304 soft close hinges and a rich Emporio panel finish highlighted with profile light for a warm and inviting setup. The puja room is designed to bring serenity into the home. Featuring the Slido F-Fold 61 mechanism, it allows for smooth and space-efficient folding doors that reveal a beautifully detailed sacred space. Inside, normal drawer channels and a Quadro pull-out tray add functional convenience. The design is elevated with white lacquered glass and an MDF CNC panel complemented by cove and spot lightings that enhance the spiritual ambience. The CNC arch design on top adds a graceful traditional touch, making the puja corner both divine and elegant. Step into the master bedroom, where comfort and functionality comes together with elegant design. For the wall decor, we gave rope ripple with PVD T-putty. The Aristo wardrobe stretches floor to ceiling, offering a seamless and elegant design. Crafted with premium materials, it combines luxurious aesthetics with organized functional storage. In front of the bed, the design seamlessly combines the entertainment unit with the study area for a functional and elegant setup. The entertainment base unit features a black Gola profile with laminated panel on top, providing a sleek platform. The adjoining study ledge includes a laminated surface with a fluted panel on the wall and integrated spotlights, creating a bright and stylish workplace. We have also given a tall unit with storage. In this bedroom, we have given peripheral false ceiling with downlighters. So the kids' bedroom is designed to reflect both style and the kids' personal preference. The client was very clear about their son's preferences, and this is reflected in every detail of the room. The platform bed is designed for comfort and practicality, complemented by a fabricated headboard with PVD T-putty, a wooden world map and custom wallpaper, creating a fun and engaging focal point. The floor-to-ceiling hinged wardrobe is designed with Ebco tandem boxes inside, providing seamless, premium storage that's both practical and elegant. A wardrobe side tall unit adds additional functionality while maintaining a clean look. So our client wanted a hidden compartment which they can use for their iron board. So this tall unit comes with a Blum tip-on mechanism, and we have designed it in such a way that you have enough space to stand and iron your clothes. We have also provided switch over there. The study area includes drawer channels, laminated ledge, a lacquered writing board, along with tall units and fluted glass, creating an organized and inspiring workspace for learning and creativity. The sitting area is a cozy corner with cushions and MDF with Duco wall beadings, making it a perfect spot for reading, relaxing and enjoying. We have given this island false ceiling with downlighters. We have designed a pelmet for curtains. Every detail in this guest bedroom is thoughtfully designed, making it appealing and functional. The wall decor features MDF paneling with Duco paint paired with custom wallpaper, adding texture, elegance and subtle visual focal point in the guest bedroom. Adjacent to this, the floor-to-ceiling hinged wardrobe offers ample storage designed for both practicality and a seamless look. The entertainment base unit features normal channels with black aluminium frame shutters with flap down, a black Gola profile providing a modern and sleek setup for media or display. The study area is thoughtfully integrated with laminated ledges, a black cube profile and spotlights to ensure a bright and functional workspace with a study wall unit for storage. Bringing Mr. Anuj's dream home to life has been a beautiful journey for us. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.